So it is Wednesday and we start with our London session today. Let's first look at the charts, then we will see what happened yesterday. Today let's first use those indicators. We have some order block in here, nice, that could be our target. In here actually we have as well order block. So perfect scenario would be if we tap in here. We almost tapped, but not quite. gbpusd, kind of similar situation. Trend looks like bullish, lining up with our possible trade scenario. This one in here. Let's scroll it down. So here was our order block. Not the best one for entering. This one will be really good entry order block. With gbpusd, what we will have, actually nothing, just this one. So quite huge target. So best case scenario, we will hit order block below here. Actually we have this order block as well, for example, and this lowest one, but I don't mark this out here. Here is as well order block like this. So if we tap one of them, it would be really nice because it's lining up with our trend and everything. Yeah, but it looks like it takes time to tap them, so I will show you yesterday what happened. We had trade on gbpusd. Let me scroll back. Let me scroll back to yesterday. Yesterday's trade. Yep, it was here. So yesterday we had a loss. Actually, it was quite nice trade because we had momentum up. We almost tapped take profit 1, but then we turned around. Yep, that was the case. We turned around, and yeah, we pretty much had bearish day. But on eurusd, we had a win. I will show you. Yeah, in here. So why I like this trade better? It's because I'm right now backtesting heavily. By the way, if you're interested, tomorrow maybe we can do together backtesting session, so you can see what I'm backtesting right now. I'm backtesting order blocks and how to get some like different levels to the order blocks. What's like A plus order block, what's B order block, and so on, and how well they would work. So maybe it would be nice if I will include you in this backtest session. So tomorrow probably I will do it anyway. Maybe I will do even free like backtest. So if anyone else is interested, they can join. But yeah, about gbpusd, or no, eurusd, we hit the main order block. We created a new order block. So we actually changed momentum down, and now we hit it again. We had a signal, 2 positions, take profit 1, take profit 2. Like I said, here was like a safer TP2, but I am really convinced, based on like backtest and based on last month, that actually like we can get those really precise entries, and we know exactly where market starts its move. So I just run take profit to here, this next order block, and as you can see, it hit it really well, and after that we turned around. So basically it is like from here to here, like fully worked out. So let's see in here what we have. Yeah, we have a little bit more to go to order blocks in here. gbpusd, same thing, we just want to have buys. I can go back to 50-minute, so you can see. So from here to here would be perfect scenario because our momentum is up. Let me put this on 50-minute as well. Same thing, from here to here would be perfect. And also like the more I backtest, the more I see that actually like overall trend is not that important. So if, for example, in here, let's see, okay, bigger term trend right now is up as well. But if I scroll down and let's say like overall we are going down, then it doesn't mean that sells will work out the best way, because actually like the best case scenario is those, you know, kinda, how can I say it, like those momentum. I call them, when I backtest I put it under momentum, so those will be my momentum trades. So for example in here you can see momentum is down, we're looking for sells. Right here we actually switched momentum or market structure shift. Now we're going up and up and up and up till we hit this main order block. Now we'll start going down and down. So here, that's why I like this trade, because we kind of broke this structure in here. So we switched the momentum, we came back to this order block, and it went back down. So like this momentum play is really good. Here as well, like this is low, high, we kind of broke those structures in here, we came back down, we like kind of sweep those, and momentum continued up. And here as well, like up, momentum up, momentum up, momentum up, and now we expect momentum up as well. So those are actually like the best case scenarios, and they will hit really well. And yeah, yesterday was just prime example. When we switch momentum, best case scenario. Like the next one would have been in here, like okay, here's no like order block with our rules, but yeah, let's say just here we switch momentum, we came back down, tested, we slightly broke it. By the way, I see this a lot, this is really common. Like up to like 4 or 5 pips we can actually break order block. In here, when I, let's see how much was that, yep, 3.5 pips. So this is like completely normal that we slightly break this order block and we took off. It shows my backtest that it's like really common. Yeah, by the way, let me know if you're interested in maybe tomorrow that we do a backtest session, let's say 1 hour earlier than right now, like 30-minute session. I will show how I will test, what I will look for. I will probably record this as well, so you can already see how I backtest, and I will upload it. But yeah, right now it looks like it is getting cleaner and cleaner in my head. Yeah, if we can like identify correct order blocks. So for example, with gbpusd, what we had in here, that was correct, that was just a loss. Maybe only thing was that we hit at this main order block. This is also the thing that I try to find targets, and when we have hit it, final target, even though this may be not order block with our like scenario exactly, then still we kind of hit at this main high, you know, and from there we started moving downwards. So that will be the case as well. But for example, today we have really clean way to go from here to here. So let's see how it will play out and why I have this in here. We didn't have any trades on Monday. That was probably some provisional trade. Yeah, but actually like this Monday is maybe good example. Also we hit it kinda like main order block. We didn't quite like change direction, but now we created a new one. We tapped in here, we definitely changed momentum downwards. We created a new order block, we tapped in here, and we took off. It looks like it just happened like later on, but look, you can basically get 37 pips till the next order block in here. So those are the ones what I try to aim to. First, get take profit 1 to get risk out of the table, like yesterday with the eurusd. First take profit 1, risk out of the table, and then let something run. For example, that was actually stop loss is 15 bips. So that was like 2.5 hour trade. That would have been really nice. But yeah, it was later. I can remove it. It didn't happen. In here, like I said, we kind of hit this main order block. That should be our sign that, you know, maybe this upwards momentum is over, because bigger term we hit it, you know, this main order block. At bigger term, you can see we are going downwards. We're going downwards. And yeah, here we switch momentum. Okay, talking about momentum, what was it? Yeah, it was in our trading time. So we switched momentum. We had some market structure shift. It was like really micro market structure shift, but still we switched momentum to the upside. We tapped to the order block. We took off. We have momentum to the upside. We tap into the order block. We took off. And yeah, in here maybe we didn't break the highs, but still momentum is still up. Here is order block. We took off. Here is order block. Okay, we didn't tap it, so right now we're just waiting for this order block to get tapped. But maybe the momentum is too like too fast to tap the order block. So let's see. Market is just about to open, so let's see if we can catch any trades today, or like during our session. I'm quite sure that like during the day we will catch the trade, but which one? And also like those like random order blocks right in here. Okay, right, like this. Those random order blocks, I am not sure that I'm going to sell in here, because we are going into this with like bullish momentum, and right now start selling here, I probably won't sell here. Yeah, this will be main order block, so if we tap in here I would expect that something to happen. But here we have like order block in here, order block in here, and so on. So yeah, that will be just our target. With eurusd, same thing. This is kind of, you know, not the main order block. This one will be. So if we tap in here, I will expect that we will turn around. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. It looks like we don't have enough movement, but let's see who just joined. Then you know, tomorrow we will do like 1 hour earlier than right now, probably backtesting session. So we will do it maybe even some free channel when everyone can join. So I will show you how I backtest, what I keep eye on, and what patterns will repeat. And probably by March we have really good order block definitions, which order block we like to see, and also we will have an entry model. Right now I don't test entry model yet. I just want to get like order blocks done, then I know exactly what order block will hit. Right now I can say that around 65% of order blocks will hit. It doesn't mean that we will lose all the like those other 35% of order blocks, but I mean like on the bigger scale we don't have the runners in there. So yeah, it's like strategy working really well. Just order blocks alone are really powerful, and I have some ideas about, you know, order block or like entry models as well in there, how to use them. And I think I have said it already as well. For example, I can just show you, since market is doing nothing, why yesterday was such a great trade. Yeah, because I want to have market structure shift entry models. Probably we're going to use them. So what we want to have is that we break the structure. For example, like right here, we now throw the Fibonacci, and we want to have 50% tap, and now we can go in, because you can see we shifted from here, and yeah, either that one or in here. In here we already actually shifted, so here not needed, we just go in here and we go in here. What we could do, like I said, it's not final yet, but in here, for example, 50%, we tapped in here, and this 50% next red candle in here would be our entry. So there would be probably like no pullback at all with this kind of entries. We broke the market structure shift, came back to 50%, next red candle, we go in, and it was straight down. Yeah, that's like the most benefit, I think, what we can get those entries, because right now we have kind of like real value indicator will give us really good entries, but it will give you entry area, not like exact, because it's just like too early. And let me remove those Fibonacci's to get clean charts. Now with gbpusd, let me just move it back in case that market wants to start moving. Yeah, maybe it's moving, but I will show you yesterday's trade as well, why it was a bad trade. Like probably in March we wouldn't have taken it, but we would have taken eurusd trade. So I will show you in here. So we had everything was clear, order block was nice, that way everything clear. But you see, we want to have market structure shift. So we had first shift possibly in here, second shift in here. You can see it failed to close candle above those highs, and where we have, let's just look where we have a possible shift. So in here we shifted, we already broke order blocks, but we shifted in here, so which means we can now draw Fibonacci from here to here. We tapped 50%. Let's just provisionally look what would have happened in here. This was 15 bips, first is 7.5. Yep, we would at least hit the take profit one. Like I said, it was already broken order block, but still with this we would have hit the take profit one. And now if you go further, let me just close them to have clean charts. If you go further, then we can see that we actually, in here, where was that? Like in here was entry, no. Okay, I don't know. Somewhere in here probably was some order block, but you can see we failed to broke structure, like no structure break, no structure break, no structure break until in here. So now we broke the structure. Now let's put 50% in here. Next time we hit it 50% was right here. It's, by the way, it's not, I don't know, maybe there is no order block or anything. I will just show you this entry model. So we broke the structure, we had a signal, so we need signal only inside the zone. Then we start looking for this structure break, 50%, next green candle. You can see we can even use 7 pips like normally, and we would have catched all of this. I'm really excited about it, but I need to backtest it. I just, right now I have just like kind of forward tested it. Let's see, it looks like today we don't have any trades during our session, but yeah, when I finish my session I will show you. I'm looking for buys in here. I will actually put already alerts. in here and in here. Alerts in here. So if we hit one of those, I want to get in here or in here, and I aim for those highs. Same thing in here. I don't want, I want to have line in here, and in here. Those are my alerts. When we hit those, I want to get in. But looks like at least gbpusd going without us. Unfortunate. Here would have been really nice entry. But yeah, about that as well. I promised to show you last month history as well. So yesterday, like I said, first trade gbpusd, we hit stop loss. eurusd, we hit a take profit 1 and take profit 2, and take profit 2 was, you know, a lot more than 1-to-1. So yeah, actually we ended up in, let's say, break even, not in profit but break even. So that's why I like to trade after this 20-minute session, because that wise, you know, we can, there is, like, most of the time there is really good opportunities. If we miss the first one or we lost the first one, it happened basically all last month. So yeah, but I will think about it like tomorrow's backtesting session. So if you are interested, then yeah, I will do, I don't know if I do free session or I do with customers, but yeah, we will do definitely some backtesting session. I will record it, so even if you can't join, you will see what I will watch, how I will test. This is my main purpose this year, to show you everything, how I will, like, generate the strategies, finalize the strategies, and so on. So you will see, you know, how to put some strategy to work. This will be my main goal this year, to show you everything 100% how to do it. But that will be it for today. Like I said, buy setups probably. If we hit that one, that means that our final target is hit. I probably don't want to get any more trades. Yeah, so see you later on with the US 30 session. Bye bye.